Moonlit whispers through the trees, softly swaying with the breeze. Shadows dance along the street. Nature sings a quiet dream. Leaves are rustling in the night, stars above shining so bright. Mystic echoes fill the air, peaceful moments everywhere. In the forest calm and still, magic lingers on the hill. Silence speaks in gentle tones. Hearts and souls are never alone. Ancient roots and hidden paths, playful eyes with quiet laughs. Moon's embrace on every leaf brings a tender, sweet relief. Leaves are rustling in the night. Stars above shining so bright. Mystic echoes fill the air, peaceful moments everywhere. Leaves are rustling in the night, stars above shining so bright. Mystic echoes fill the air, peaceful moments everywhere. In the forest, calm and still, magic lingers on the hill. Silence speaks in gentle tones. Hearts and souls are never alone. Ancient roots and hidden paths, playful light with quiet laughs. Moon's embrace on every leaf brings a tender, sweet relief. Wandering through the silver light, harmony in every sight. Crickets chirp the nighttime song in this place where I belong. Whispered secrets, cool and clear.